Exercise 9E, annuities. So the way this works is that you've got a big chunk of money from your Scrooge McDuck money bin and you're investing it into a bank and you're living off some monthly payments from that rather than working or, doing something sensible with your life. So what you're going to do is that you're living off that, and we're going to try to work out how many payments you are until your annuity runs out and that kind of thing. Generally, the only thing here is different from all of the other payments is that the principal is a negative number because that's the amount you've invested in there. And the payment, the PMT, will be a positive number because that's coming back to you. That's the main things to be aware of. You could also represent it as a recurrence relation as shown here. So V0 is the principal, the amount that you've put in. So on the financial solver, that's going to be a negative number. Then Vn plus 1, R, Vn minus D, where the R value there is 1 plus little r over 100. And where little r is the interest rate divided by the amount of compounds per month. And D is whatever payment that I'm taking out. Example 90.1. This is from the Northern Hemisphere timetable of the VCAA exams. Julie is retired from work and has received a superannuation payment of $492,800 and intends to invest it in an annuity. The annuity earns interest at the rate of 4.32% per annum compounding monthly. The balance of Julie's annuity at the end of the first year of investment would be $480,242.25. What's the monthly payment in dollars that Julie would receive? So what we're going to do is we need to do a couple of different things here. We're going to need to work out, we've got a final value after 1 year. So now what we're going to need to do is work out what amount of money it took to get to there. So we've been told that it's compounding monthly, so we can get our PYs and our CYs to be 12, as seen here. We can put in the N was the amount of months. So we're looking after 1 year. So this is the only information we got after the first year. So 12 months. So the amount that she has left, or the amount that she still has in her amount, is $480,242.25. Now your question is that negative or positive? I don't know if that is actually your question, but it is a question. And the question is, do I put a positive sign, negative sign? Well, that's the amount that she has. She has in her credit, in her favor, so that stays as a positive number. So it's $480,342.25. She invested $492,800. That's how much she put into the annuity. So now to work out the payment, we need an interest rate. And the interest rate is 432%. Wouldn't that be great? 4.32%. So there we go. So here we go. And you can tell it's a VCAA question because they've tried to make it as unambiguous as possible with their amounts. There we go. So she has made a payment in dollars, $2,800. How much interest would Julie's annuity earn in the second year of the investment? Round your answer to the nearest cent. So what we need to do is we need to go and work out what the difference is after 2 years versus 1 year. So we've been told how much she earned after 1 year. We now need to use this information to work out how much she earns at the end, or how much she gets back at the end of the second year, and do a series of subtractions. So we'll change the 12 to a 24. We know she's making she's receiving payments of $2,800. So we'll find the future value here. So, and in fact, I'm just going to jot that down. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out the difference, or how much the actual, how much money has changed between those two times, or between the first and second year. So at the first year, the balance was $480,242.25. So the difference is $480,242.25. Take away the after 2 years, $467,131, and we'll make that 1 4. We'll make that 1 4. And well, why not? Let's stick to my usual advice of unrounded figures. So then we'll do a subtraction. 480, 242, 2.25 minus 467, 131.1389. So 13,111.11. So that's how much has been taken out of the account in the second year. So now we just need to find the difference between that and how much money that she got back. So how much of money she earned in that year. So she's going to get the money earned, shall we say, in the second year is going to be 2,800 times by 12. So that's how much money went to her, went to Julie. So it went to 33,600. So therefore the interest is going to be the earnings subtract how much was the difference in the investment. So this is going to be 33,600, take away $13,111. And we get $20,488.89.